It's quiet. It's really quiet. So I've been in Nevada for a little over a week now, and I've kind of been in a weird routine where I just camp out in the desert in a spot for a couple days, and then I'll go get groceries and whatever, drive a few hours, and then find another place to camp out. And I haven't been doing a whole lot, honestly. I've been walking up and down some of these roads in the BLM land. I think 80% of Nevada or something like that is public land. So there's just dispersed camping everywhere, which is awesome. But I don't want to say Nevada is boring, but it kind of all looks the same, so I haven't been filming much. But today I'm going to do a peak. I saw this mountain range driving yesterday, and I thought, it might be fun to hike to the top of there. So I'm going to go for the summit, but the road up here got kind of dicey, and there was nowhere to turn around. So rather than reversing a half mile down this road, I decided to keep going, and now kind of dug into this spot. I think it's a wash. It's also the only place I found to turn around. So I need to, before I leave the van here, I need to get positioned a little better, because right now I'm blocking the whole spot that someone else might need to use to turn around. So hopefully I'm not stuck. And if I'm not stuck, then we're going to go try to hike this mountain. And if I am, then I don't know, I guess I'll call for a rescue, which I hope I'm not doing today. So let's get going. Well, I'm turning around. I don't know, I'm just not feeling it. I think I have plenty of time, food, and water to get up there. I'm about 2/3 of the way there. And I don't know, I came up here, I saw the view, and I don't really feel motivated to go the rest of the way. Kind of remote out here, kind of really alone, and the route finding is kind of weird. It's a lot of bushwhacking, and I don't want to be doing this in the dark. So I guess I'm getting a little geeked out and just trusting my gut and turning around. Hi, I have a 2012 Ford Transit Connect, and I had my transmission replaced, I guess it'd be about a month ago now. And this is actually the third transmission I've had in the van, and I had it done at a Ford dealer, and everything's working fine, except it seems a little rough when it's downshifting from fourth into third, and I was wondering, like, is that something that you guys would be able to take a look at? And I don't know, I was wondering if you have any advice on that.
Let me get you an advisor first, okay? Give me 1 second. Hold on.
So, I'm on hold with the Ford dealer, yet again, and I don't think I have a big problem. I know that sometimes the PCM takes a while to reconfigure itself, so the shifts can be a little rough for a while, but I've put 1,500 miles on this new transmission, and it's still not shifting perfectly. And honestly, the second transmission worked better than this one, so that's why I'm calling the Ford dealer. I just want them to look at it. I want them to plug it into the computer and tell me that there aren't any problem codes. And the thing is, I did eventually get through to this dealer, and they were booked out forever, like way in the future. So I called a Ford dealer in my hometown, and the earliest they could get me in is January 3rd. So that's like 7 weeks from now. And I'm going to go to that appointment probably and just have them take a look at it. I'm not super worried. I'm kind of done. I'm tired of thinking about my transmission, but there is more to the story, so I'm just keeping an eye on things and want to let you guys know what I'm going through. So, yep. You mother... Ah! No. Just spent 20 minutes on hold waiting for a service advisor, and then I got hung up on before I was connected.
I will try to connect your call. 1 moment, please.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
And yeah, here I am fixing my diesel heater exhaust yet again. I think I had a loose hose clamp because I just lost this last little section again. So I've bought a lot of this exhaust pipe on Amazon, but hopefully this is it. Well, damn, that was Nevada. I'm in Arizona now and gonna be hiking the Grand Canyon, but that'll be in the next video. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.